Welcome back to my channel at Mamawoobee. For today's video, we will be unboxing this new item that my husband has given me. It's the Sunpak vlogging kit. Welcome back mga be at Mamawoobee's channel. It's the Sunpak vlogging kit. So excited to open this one and see what's inside. And this is what's inside the box. Ta-da! So this is it. He got this one from Costco and he gifted it to me. So it shows how the product is. So you can use it for your camera, your DSLR camera, and your phone as well. And let's go and check what's included. So there's this thing. I have not really checked what that one is. That might be a clip for the camera or the phone. And is definitely for the microphone, and it got other little stuff here that I still do not know what are the uses of this one. Probably all this inside this pouch is for the microphone, and I'll do some research and read it and then tell you guys what these are. So it says here that the most you can extend it if you're using a camera is this high, but it can be fully extended up to 54 inches and use it as a floor standing unit, but not when you're using a camera. That is only advisable if you are using your smartphone and just using your smartphone. This is what comes in a box of Sunpak folding vlogging kit. So it has the large LED ring light, this one, and then this can extend up to 54 inches. Of course, using your phone. They don't recommend extending it that high if you would be using your DSLR camera. And it's USB powered. And it comes with a storage bag, a Boya cardioid microphone, a Bluetooth remote, and a flexible smartphone mount and ball head. This one. So yeah, for the price of more or less $40 from Costco, I like this vlogging kit. So it has a microphone that's not working, so I still have to figure out it should be my husband who should try to figure it out, not me. So I'm not really techie, and he's the one who bought this vlogging kit. So should be the one to check.
She'll never get techie if I'm the only one that does it.